There he is, walking over to get the other transmission pan. He decided to walk. He could have rode, but he wanted to walk. So I'm gonna go over there too and record him taking that pan off. Well, here's the old car that we gave to our friends for junk, because they do junking of metal. But thank God they hadn't got rid of it, because we used the transmission pan off of it, and that's what we come over for. They have a big forklift, and they're going to lift it up so we can get the pan off. We'll start once they get up. Being lifted up, so we can just stand underneath it and get it off. That's good, Jeffrey.
Okay.
Same tranny.
Yep, same one.
Exactly. AT60.
Yep.
Cool.
4T60, yep.
Yep.
The same one.
Oh, I thought it was an A. It's a 4.
No, it's a 4.
Okay.
Well, and then take a look at, come down here, and this frame isn't too bad right here, but there's calipers for the brakes. They fell off.
It's just falling apart.
Yeah. They come down here to the back of this. I don't think I want to get underneath the back of it, because here's the frame.
Oh, wow. Frame's falling apart
Yeah,
on this car.
that's
That's why
why
we got rid of it.
It started rusting, and we quit driving it because I was afraid it's going to break through. And
Big
it
rust
did sit
bucket.
there. So don't get underneath this over here.
Got almost 300,000 miles on it,
Yeah.
which is okay. Yeah, we bought these tires. Can you remember how to read the date?
Yeah. Okay, let's come over here and find. There is
That should be underneath.
Down here.
where it says DOT.
Right there.
Okay, and there's that. There should be some numbers in a round tubeless.
H724.
That's it right there.
Not these numbers?
No,
BC17.
that's just the type of tire it is. There should be some dates over here.
I don't
I
see
don't
anything.
see here. There should be 2 digits for the month and then 2 digits for the year. I don't see them on this tire.
Huh.
Well, it's a fairly new tire. It's not cracked or anything, so nice. It might work on the truck, but
I can put a different tire on here to replace it. We do have, they're the same tire.
it don't matter because come over here to this one.
That's a good
So
year.
this is supposed to be DOT, the model and all this here, 37th week of 09.
Yeah.
So that's,
well,
that's
look at
how
the
this tire, and
cracking, too.
see, it's got all those cracks. That's why
Right.
they say 5 years, this tire is no good for anything. Unless you want to tear it apart. To
Well,
do
that
something
tire's
else.
been sitting for more than 5 years, I know.
Yeah.
But, okay.
We're
Gonna do this. You haven't found anything to put the oil in, huh?
That was loose.
Hey, Debbie. Friend Debbie over there sitting on a trailer.
There is no drain pan. You just loosen it up and just start straining
Yeah.
out.
On the newer cars, there's no. Used to be drain hole on the older ones, but not the newer ones.
I'm
For
just
sure.
just getting them a little bit here. I think I can turn them out with just the other socket.
The long one?
Yep.
Okay.
Once they get a pan to drain it into.
Comes Jeffrey. Yep, he got a pan.
Drain oil pans.
Another oil pan up there, I think. Get it?
That one's got stuff in it, I can tell the way he was carrying it. We don't need these cobwebs in this one.
Leaking over here already.
Yeah.
We're gonna.
Tighten it back up so it won't leak on you.
Yeah. So okay, my ear's getting wet.
Oh no, it dripped in your ear?
No, on the outside of it.
Oh jeez.
There we go. I don't know where it's going to drip the most.
He's gonna get another one, I guess.
Yeah.
We've got 2 or 3 of these damn things. We can find the damn thing.
Tighten it up, huh?
Well, the yellow one didn't have much in it anymore, so it didn't leak quite as quick.
Yeah.
Now, if you had a spot that you didn't carry, put some gravel down, and you wanted to kind of do that, then we'd just dump it on the ground. But this isn't a spot that you want to do that in.
Hey, got another one coming.
This one is just full of water.
Won't it?
Just water.
This one right here.
Another drain pan.
Let's see if I can.
You got a little bucket I can put these bolts in.
Let me go get a bucket.
Oh, all up your arm, honey. Should have rolled your sleeves up. Looks like you're bleeding to death.
Yeah. ATF fluid is red.
Red, yeah. Not. Yeah, that looks like dried blood because it's that dark.
Well, and intake what's really good for rust, you know, like you know, your PB blast and things like that. Take ATF fluid and mix it 50-50 with acetone.
Pick that one up over here further. No, the other one. There you go. Because he's leaking too.
You know what makes a good hand cleaner?
That.
Right there. He was an old man.
ATF fluid?
Yeah, he had a can of it. 5-gallon can. He'd go over and wash his hands up.
Here you
Then
go.
get in the
Boy.
sink and wash it off.
How about a magnet tray?
Yeah. I like those. I
I
have
have
those on
3
my
or
boat
4 of
press. So you take screws off of, you know, when you're
Yeah.
putting sights and rests and stuff like that on it.
I got 3 or 4 round ones over there. Whoa! Over. Oh, you got it. I thought it went over a little further.
No.
Holy mackerel.
Can you imagine doing this in your driveway?
Oh, that's pretty full. I can't move it with my foot. Oh my gosh. What a mess.
See what you caused?
Well, I could have done it, but he wants to do it
Run
and
over
film
that.
it, so
Run over that
We're
railroad
filming it.
track doing 90 mile an hour? Shoot.
only about 50.
50. See, 50.
50. 50 plus.
Yeah.
No,
50 plus.
no, it wasn't. Ask for it.
50 plus.
Yeah, 50 plus.
I believe it too.
You already got these loose? No.
No, but I don't want to have too much of my hands in the dripping stuff right now if I can take a different bolt out.
Well, if you come over here, you won't. Oh, that's pretty bad, isn't it? You gonna come over here?
Yeah,
I'll go over there.
no, if I had these loose or not. Yep.
Well, don't let OSHA see this.
Why?
Doing this with a forklift.
Oh,
Yeah, it's
we don't have nothing to do with OSHA. We're not a business. You can bleep that out, honey.
what's that?
OSHA. You're gonna post
Got-
this on
got a
your
rag?
own. Got a rag,
Got a
rag.
Right? Right?
Yeah,
Rag.
yeah, rag.
Yeah, Jeffrey.
Rag, Jeffrey. Rag.
Oh, he brought that big towel. Right. You feel a little slimy? Yeah, you might want to take your watch off.
No, that's what
Whew. It's all up your arm on the other side too, honey.
Yeah, I know.
Now I know why they got them big
Your
drain pans that are like this.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
when
get
you're
your arm.
taking-
And
There you go.
they
That
get them
helps.
closer
Okay.
too, so they don't have
Yeah,
to.
they're right up under here, about
Yeah.
a foot away from the pan.
Right on the underside of your arm by your watch.
It's all gonna get there again, so I don't care about it.
Maybe, maybe not. What was he giggling about?
He giggles all the time. I think he lets a fart and it tickles him and he giggles.
He's a good kid though. Can't complain.
I wish I had 6 of them.
Yeah. You wouldn't have to do
Such a
anything,
hero.
would you?
Well, I'd be there working, but
He's a go-getter.
we could get all this shit done. Man, me and him was just busting our ass.
Yeah, I know.
And working in that shop down there, working in this shop, working in the house, working in that damn
Yep.
garage.
Working at other places.
Yeah.
There you go. Oh, we gotta go that way with it. There you go. That's what I was shooting for. Get it down to
Yeah.
one end.
Would have been smart when we did it big.
I'm pretty much in there now. Oh, that's the right one.
And if you lose, please, so lose all of it.
Yeah, they look like they're all out
So it's just these
and over there.
over here. So we're gonna start here.
There you go.
Should be just about done.
I think we can come this way a little bit with the pan now.
You get the gasket for this?
Yeah, gasket and new filter for it too.
And these should be changed every so often anyway.
Yeah,
Every few years you should have them changed
yeah.
or change them yourself.
Yeah.
Although it makes you go to a
Cheaper.
place that actually knows what they're doing. I took a van in to have it changed because it was shifting kind of weird, not good. So I went in there and I did it myself after they supposedly done it. There was a hole in the bottom of the filter. After I changed it, it ran a whole lot better. They didn't bother changing it. So you just got to make sure wherever you go,
That's
don't
like
do it.
Rob took his to get an oil change and they didn't put oil in the car. And one,
put
like
it in
Jiffy
there?
Lube. I don't know which. I think it wasn't Jiffy Lube. It was one of those other ones that do that. And they didn't put oil in. All of a sudden started having a funny sound. So he checked the oil and there was none in it.
That damn crudy in there?
And they said that he couldn't prove it, so he
Yeah.
had to live with it. Had to
That
tick forever.
That damn crudy in there? You still going?
Yeah. And
He was supposed to have done work on my mom's car. He
Oh,
did
yeah?
nothing. Charged her $375.
yeah, sometimes I wonder if they don't screw you and tattoo you.
You know
Excuse my
what?
language.
We had a guy down there in Concordia, Kansas. He had a nice shop for him, boy. Pull in one door, back up, and then go out the other door when he got through his car. Nice setup. Tow truck, everything. He got the big head. He was going to California and work for somebody out there. Well, he did. He was there about 2 weeks. The first day, he told him, pull that carburetor off, clean it up, put it back on, we'll charge you for a new carburetor.
Holy
He
mackerel.
says, I ain't doing that. And there was nothing wrong with the carburetor.
Oh, jeez.
Then, come in, he says, clean the fuel pump out and tell him we got to put a new fuel pump on it. Then he come back and he said, I wish I hadn't sold out now.
Yeah, really.
he was screwed.
Yeah. That's why I started doing my own work on my cars.
Is that the last screw there?
No,
Oh, okay.
because I couldn't always get it done right. So I started learning how to do it myself.
Yeah.
With my brother, and so my one brother, he just retired from being an auto mechanic. Lexus mechanic, no less.
Old man was a good mechanic, and he didn't teach me shit.
Did you ask him to?
He didn't even.
Well, that's almost it.
And my mom helped my sister pack her bags. I packed mine and come out. The magnet.
You got it. Looks like it was pretty good, doesn't it?
Not dented.
How about that? Don't have a hole in it.
Wow, wow, wow. Doesn't look like it had any problems. We changed the transmission filter in this one once.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.